Now, starting with the types of investment, so let's start with hedge funds first. This is something that we have discussed in earlier periods as well. So, what is hedge fund? Hedge fund is a fund which will invest into, which would generally take high risk for high return. It will invest into it will take multiple positions. It can take leverage positions. It may invest into derivatives. It may take short positions. It may invest into commodity, equity, fixed income, whatever. So hedge funds make high return by taking high risk by using alternative means of investments, and they generally have low correlation with traditional investment. Even if overall market is falling, maybe some hedge fund is making money. Why? Because it took a short position. It could anticipate a market fall and it took a short position. Hedge funds, other characteristics are low regulations. So generally there are low regulations on hedge funds, less transparency. Generally returns are overstated, risk is understated. Why? Because generally only those hedge funds would want to be included into hedge fund indices or want to report data to public which are performing well or which are generating high return. Those who are not generating high return may not want to be included or become a part of any hedge fund index. So a hedge fund index may show overstated return because it only would include good performers and may show lower risk. Secondly, what is the risk? So this is a big size of fund in which only elite investors would be investing. What is the risk? If any of the investors withdraws money, then hedge fund will have to sell those assets or sell those shares or sell those securities in the market to reimburse the money or to give back the money, to return the money to the shareholder. And what can be the impact? The impact it maybe it will have to close some positions from which it was expecting a gain in future. And also when it goes to market and place an order to sell a big portion of assets, then eventually market prices can fall. Why? Because investors would think something wrong is happening with these assets, so market prices can fall and it may end up losing value. So redemptions can lead to loss of value for the fund. So what funds generally do is that they put some kind of penalties on redemption or they put in some kind of lockup period. So these are generally the lockup period or penalties are generally the strategies used by these funds to reduce redemptions or to restrict redemptions from the fund. Or they may ask the investor to provide a notice of at least 30 to 90 days period before withdrawing investment. These are different strategies being used by them.